Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken pho with rotisserie chicken, only way. Begin by simmering bones or vegetable stock with charred onion and ginger, plus cinnamon and star anise. Shred the rotisserie chicken and set aside. Add fish sauce and a touch of sugar for balance, skim for clarity, then cook rice noodles separately. Assemble bowls with noodles, chicken, hot broth, herbs, lime, and chilies for a bright finish. Start the broth by charring onion and ginger until blackened spots appear, which adds smoky depth without long simmering. Toast cinnamon, star anise, and cloves briefly to release oils, then simmer in stock for a focused 20 to 40 minutes. Strain carefully to remove solids and skim fat for a clear bowl. Taste and adjust with fish sauce and a little sugar so the broth sings without overpowering the chicken. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, which pairs well with learning to save time and cook at home. I like to imagine the savings funding a weekly pho night, which sounds both practical and fun. Check the description for the link and deals, and now let's get back to the video. Prepare noodles per package directions so they stay al dente and avoid clumping by rinsing in warm water. Place warmed noodles in bowls, top with shredded rotisserie chicken, and ladle hot strained broth over them to heat the meat through. Offer herb and condiment plates so each person can customize brightness and heat. Finish with lime and a quick drizzle of fish sauce if desired for an authentic, balanced bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.